Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make an MTN call for almost free. Almost, not free, because there's no such thing as free calls. So I'm going to explain to you how to reduce the cost of your cost drastically. So let's get started. Now, um, there is this thing called MTN free after one. And to sign up, you need *550# to sign up as you see here. But then the free after one, you're going to pay 30 pesewas for the first minute. So what if I told you that you can reduce it from 30 pesewas to only 9 pesewas for the first minute? Only 9 pesewas. So that is what we are going to do here. So first of all, you have to sign up for the MTN free after one. Free after one. *550# free after one, so that you can, instead of paying 30 pesos per minute, you'll be paying 9 pesos per minute, and you can now talk for a whole hour for the 9 pesos, and you still get some small megabyte data b. So if you make this if you do this every time you make a call, and you're making calls several times a day, then you save something. So how do you do it? First of all, sign up for the free after one. You enter, then you select number 6, then you activate. I have already activated it, so I'm not going to activate it again, but you just choose one to activate in this case. And after the activation, you come back and take the second step, which is you enter *567*1*1*2#. Please save it so that you don't have to memorize this number or enter *5. You save it in your phone with any name you like. Here I've saved it MTN free call, so that you can just retrieve it and then enter it. But remember, as for the free after one, you sign up only once. But this one, you have to do it every time you want to make a call, so that you pay for only 9 pesos for the first minute. So you enter this, you press send, you wait. My phone is a bit slow. Then you wait for it to load. Then you select 0.09. They say enter an amount to buy preferred bundle. 0.09, not 0.9. 0.09. You're paying 9 pesos, not 90 pesos. 0.09. Then you press send. So you want to take note of the amount. 9 pesos, not 90 pesos. And you press, and then they say select your preferred option. Here you choose 1, which gives you 1.39 megabytes and 1.42 minutes. Now, if you have not signed up for free after one, you're only going to talk for 1.42 minutes. But here, because of your free after one, you select the one, and that 1.42 minutes is going to pay for the first minute that you're supposed to pay for 30 pesos. Your 9 pesos is going to pay for that. You get the small megabyte data to in your bag somewhere, which will not expire. Then you can make your call for 1 hour. So here you select the option 1. Remember, option 1 for 9 pesos. Sorry, my time is up. So we'll type the number again. The *567*11. So since I have it saved in my phone, I'm just going to click on the what I've saved, and then press send, and we see the results. You're going to do 0.09, send, and then we'll select 1, send. Then we'll pay with either airtime or mobile money, right? You can pay with either airtime or mobile money. So I'm paying with my airtime 1, and they say congratulations, you have purchased a mashup for 0.09 to be used for all networks plus free WhatsApp. Dial something 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 for your balance, and there's a pop-up message confirming that. So now you can make the next call on MTN for free. You've paid 0.09, you've paid 9 pesos, but you can talk for 1 hour for free. So I do this every time, even if the call I'm going to make is 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I still do this because 9 pesos for 2 minutes, 3 minutes is still cheap. You see, under normal circumstances, you'll be paying say 30 pesos, 15 pesos, 20 pesos per minute for a call. So if you are getting it for 9 pesos, it's okay. So I don't really use it for long term calls.